last video for this lesson. We are going to take this equation, f of x equals x squared, and do these transformations to it and write the new equation. So first I'm going to use my colors. Remember, vertical is another word for up and down. So as soon as you see vertical, you should think outside. So this is an outside, and I want to shift up 2. Now remember, outside is also the same. So I want to add 2 outside the main equation. So outside, here's x squared. I'm going to go outside the x squared, add 2 on the outside. And that moves me up 2. Okay, let's do an example. I'm actually going to do C next. This is horizontal, so that's side to side. So this is an inside, right 1. And remember, inside is always opposite. So right you would think would be plus, but I actually want to go inside and do a -1. Now, what this means inside is inside the squared. So we have x squared here. Inside the squared, I want to do right 1, opposite, -1. So there's our right 1. Reflection across the x-axis. I always have to visualize this. Here's my x-axis. I want to reflect across the x-axis. So that means this is an up and down reflection. So this is an outside reflection because it's up and down. So that means I have my x squared, and then I want to put a negative for a reflection outside. That reflects it up and down. Okay, last one. I have a horizontal, so this is inside again. And now I've got a stretch by a factor of 2. But remember, inside is opposite, so instead of timesing by 2, we're going to times by 1/2 because it's opposite. So once again, inside means inside the squared, and inside the squared I want a factor of 1/2. So now we have inside, we have a factor of 2, and inside is opposite, so we have a 1/2 instead, and that'll give us our horizontal stretch. So there we go. That is our last example for 1.3. You are all finished with lesson 1.3. Good job.